was her in the picture. And I was trying to see what was on there.
Now we're at Dick's Sporting Goods. We're gonna go ahead and enter the Jordan 11 Barons raffle for this weekend. They originally weren't going to raffle it off, but now they are, and I really want a pair.
Same. I completely agree.
Yeah, we're walking in now.
Yeah, we had to be.
Shout out, we out here, bro.
I know, yeah.
Wow.
How was your meal?
10 out of 10 stars.
Yeah. All right, we're going to Seoul Classics right now.
10 out of 10 stars.
I need to get one of those. I need to get some Jason Mark.
Should I get a carrot?
Oh, I need to get one of these hats.
Store is so cute. What? Are those ones you want?
Yeah.
I like the hard
Anything I could help you guys find?
I'm good. What are you doing, Desiree? You gotta fit it first. Oh, this one looks.
So I got a package that came in from New Balance. This is the shoe that I've been waiting for.
The next day.
Alright, it's another vlog with Des, and we're gonna cop some shisa.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Did you guys like my last ASMR video? I know you did. Just watch out for more stuff, because you know I'm gonna make more stuff.
Right now we're heading to Dick's Sporting Goods to buy the Baron 11 lows. We're here now at Dick's Sporting Goods. There's no one here right now because they don't open till 9. And look at that huge line. Wow. Oh,
I got you.
oh wow. Look at that line. We're gonna go start the line. We're starting the line.
Bang on the glass, ask if they're open.
Is y'all open? Open, it's me. Yeah, we have to. I'm gonna start the line. Line starts here.
6 hours later.
This is iconic.
Sweet. Okay. Let's go. Just gonna go home.
Are we?
Oh, that 3 stripe.
Oh, next cop.
That yeah, next cop. 3 stripe.
I
Secured the bag.
I suck at filming at the. Just letting you know now. Shin.
Got him. Guys, take a little smell. Smell that? Look at that suede upper.
Ooh, are you serious?
Yeah, and that patent leather. Oh wow!
Dang, boy.
These are gonna get
Stop
dirty.
moving.
These are gonna get dirty.
Beauty.
Asian Fest 2K. What is it? 2K17. Oh my.
Sheila Ellen. Tapas! Welcome to Tapas! Not for it too close.
Okay.
What
are you cooking?
Oh my god.
You're now a celebrity.
I am a celebrity. Hey!
Maliit lang? Maliit lang. That's good. Fried rice. Now. Now put one for him.
You just want pancet, Ati?
That's enough.
I know she wants eggs.
One egg roll. That's I would want anything else.
Hoy pare, pakinggan niyo ako. Ito ng tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo sa Pambato. Pumunta ng LA, nagtrabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain, nagkakamay. Yung kanin, chicken adobo. Yung balot, binibenta sa kanto. Tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pare ko, inuman na tayo.
You got it?
Oh my gosh.
Come here. He's 3 right now.
Oh my goodness. That's crazy.
Hey, you guys want to learn about origami?
I can get this one. Origami?
No speaking.
Origami? Did you hear her? I already know what origami is.
So what do you want to say to all your Asian viewers?
To the Asian viewers, congratulations for the success of this Asian festival.
I'm the master of fidget spinning. It feels weird.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys add me on Snapchat, add me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and make sure you guys click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you guys leave a comment down below if you like the video. Make sure you guys click that bell icon so you guys will be notified every time that I post a video, and we'll see you guys next time.